Okay, I'm just going to show you this little tracer thing a little bit better. So what I recently used this on was a PLC cabinet. So something like this, maybe I'll attach a picture for that. But these pieces here, I mean, you can definitely just plug these into a plug. But what I was using it on the PLC was, you know, I would stick this on the ground, and I was using this. You know, these are too small, but I was using this and touching the screws to kind of trace out a certain wire. But so that's what I always use that attachment for. This came with another attachment that you could plug directly into an outlet. I've also used this on the house where I'd plug this into the receptacle, and then having this maxed on level 8, you can actually trace it through the wall, and that's where I found out that there was a break in the line about 5 feet over. So that's where this little level setting is better than some of the other Klein tools out there. I know I also have another Klein wire tracer out there. I think I got it for like 50 bucks. It doesn't have the level, but it does the same thing. You know, you can trace out circuit breakers. But that's where having something like this, where you can, you know, see the wire through walls, is beneficial. So just to use this, we'll find some alligator clamps on here. Get rid of these attachments here, just sort of like a quick connect. There we go. Alrighty. So we'll see if this works. You really need a good ground for that. But just an example you might see on the field, you have some wires coming out of a PLC or wherever they are. You go out into the field, you don't know what's what, you don't know what's doing what, right? So let's just say we have 3 wires, a black, red, orange, out in the field. We come back to our box. Don't know what I clamped onto there. Transmitter's going. I mean, obviously this is on level 8, it's picking up everything here. Let's reduce it down, still picking up everything. Still picking up everything, level 5. 4, here we go. So if we go through each one, orange wire doesn't seem like it's doing anything. Black wire maybe. White wire is where we're at. So that looks like that's what we're trapped onto. So out in the field, we can be like, you know, this is what the white wire is doing, or you know, you can move it around, whatever really you're trying to do. So really, I mean, you could do that with any wire. Attach it onto a different wire, different colored wire. Let's max this back out again. Because we're down in the field, you might have, you know, 2 or 3 panels, or you might even have 100 wires on this thing. So always start on the max setting, so you can kind of get your general idea. Lower it down. Let's try level 5. We're getting somewhere now. So level 5. Looks like we're it. With this thing, I've never really gone below level 4. But, you know, like I said, if you have 100 wires here, you might drop it down to level 3, level 2, whatever you need to do to hone in on that wire. So you see we got nothing there. We're starting to pick it up there, so that's where, like, you know, level 3, level 4 seems to be like a very good signal for that. So we got that. Let's try the plug attachment now. So we'll turn this off. Black in here, red in there. Turn on the transmitter. So like I said, this works on dead and live circuits. So, I mean, if you can just imagine this is in a wall, just bear with me. You can see, you know, if that, bad example, I guess. So we can kind of pick it up. We just follow around. Maybe this is a bad example. But trust me, you can pick up stuff through walls. Yeah, source, just trust me, bro. All right, shut that off. And then on this thing, I think I showed you in the past video where it did pick up some voltage. So that's good if you don't have your voltage tester on you at the moment. Well, that's all I got. If you got any questions or anything specific you want to know about this thing, just let me know and I can go over it for you. Thank you.